NNDM stock on 28 November. Let's see that step by step with easy price prediction. If you are new to this video, don't forget to subscribe and like. Let's start. So according to what we want here on this NNDM stock, it's going to be very serious and very clear about what we want. If we went for 0.1 Fibonacci level here, it's going to give us the price on 2 USD and 29 cents, and here is going to be about 1 USD and 80 USD and 34 cents. So that going to be the start of this level 9 USD, and it decreased until its end is going to be about 2 USD and 36 cents. So that is going to be the journey of NNDM stocks that we want. According to what we want also is going to be about 1 week. If we focus it clearly, the number of green candles is going to be more than the number of red candles on the last period, in the last 3 months. Okay, and that what actually give us a chance to make the NNDM to increase again.